Today on Mike Attempts, cleaning a dishwasher. Our dishwasher hasn't been cleaning as well lately, and it's overdue for some maintenance. Let's get to it. The bottom rack lifts right out, but the top rack is trapped in the rails by these end caps. Squeeze the top clip and lift the cap straight up. Here's a better view on the other side. Now the top rack will slide out. The center support is reverse threaded, so turn it clockwise to loosen the sprayer arm. If it's stuck, try holding the centerpiece still while rotating the sprayer arm counterclockwise. Looks like someone broke a glass in here. Remove the 3 exposed Torx head screws. There's one more behind this tube. To remove it, there are 2 square drive screws, one in the back and one up top. Now it can be popped out of the top channel. Grab the blue sprayer at the top and pull forward to pop it off. Rotate the tube to the right until the slots line up at the center. Remove the center wash arm support, but be sure not to lose the thin plastic washer. The last Torx screw is now accessible. Grab the centerpiece and give it a wiggle while pulling up. Ugh, it's nasty in there. There's a thin layer of dark grease on everything. Remove the single Torx screw securing the chopper cover. Tilt the cover to the right and pull up. The chopper screen doesn't look too bad, but I found a piece of plastic and some large seeds. I filled the sump with hot soapy water and scrubbed it with a toothbrush. Brush both sides of the chopper screen to make sure it's nice and clean. If your screen is really dirty, you can take it out. The drive coupling is spring-loaded. Pull out on the chopper blade to uncouple, and lift up on the screen to remove. To reinstall, the wider half of the screen goes at the top, and the bottom sits in this groove. Line up the coupler first, and then pop the screen in the groove. Turn the blade to be sure everything is in place. Pull out the check valve, give it a good clean, and pop it back in. The top edge of the chopper screen seats into this slot on the cover. Make sure it's lined up and install in reverse order. Work around the edges of the filter with a flathead screwdriver until it's released. I cleaned both pieces with some soapy water and snapped them back together. This little hole lines up with this tube. Reinstall all 4 screws, but be careful not to over-tighten. Make sure the plastic washer is on the center support and set it in the hole. Reinstall the tube in reverse order. Remember, the center support is reverse threaded, so turn it counterclockwise to tighten. Snap the top into the channel and reinstall the screws. Line up the 2 holes and snap the blue sprayer into place. Slide the top rack in and replace the rail caps. Throw in the bottom rack and you're done. I think the grease might have built up because we only ever used the normal wash cycle. Now I try to remember to run a hotter, more thorough wash every once in a while. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.